And we're going to go ahead and begin curling. What I like to do is I'll start from the back and I'll go from side to side. So I'm going to clip this side up, do this side last, and we'll start on my right side. So I'm going to comb the hair out again, section off what I'm going to begin curling, clip up the rest, and we're going for those big sexy voluminous curls. So what I like to do is I'll start from the very back, and I like to curl away from my face, going in this direction versus this direction. So I'm going to curl away. And I do like to use hairspray. The hairspray I'll be using today is the Sebastian Shaper. Just a little bit on each section. I'm going to take my curling iron. And I'm going to be pinning this curl. I might not have to though. Let me see. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go ahead, even though it left a really nice curl, I'm going to go ahead and pin it because I am sweating. But if you're in a cool environment, then you probably will be able to go without pinning it up. But I'm going to go ahead and pin these curls up so that my sweat doesn't make them drop. And yes, that glistening, that glow that you see, baby, that's sweat because I'm hot. But we're just going to go ahead and continue curling away from the face. I'll give you guys another example. And then we're going to pin it up. Now these other sections, I am going to make them much larger than I did this back section. I did the back section small because it's right there on my neck where I'm sweating. And just so to help it keep a better curl, I had to make it smaller. But you don't have to do it that small. These other sections will not be that small, as you're going to see. But yeah, this process is repetitive. You're literally going to keep doing the same exact thing until we get to the very top. So one more time, you take your curling iron and you're curling away from the face. Let it sit for a couple of seconds. Release it. And then pin it. Okay, so this is what we are looking like on the back, and now we have made it to the very front. Whoopsie. Hold on, let me fix this curl. Okay, if necessary, you can get your hot comb and just go ahead and touch up where you need to. I'm going to be pushing the hair away from my face again. And I'm going to take a section that I'll be curling. And it's the same concept. You're going to take the curling iron, hold it straight. You're not going to angle it too much. Allow it to fall. And I like to just take my thumb and go up the curl. It helps me keep the curl together. And I'm going to pin it. We're going to repeat this process again. Take your section that you're going to curl, comb it out, take your curling iron, curling away from the face, drop the curl, take your thumb, roll it, and pin it. Now for this very top section, we're actually going to take the curling iron and we're going to curl going as if you're making you're curling under, like one of those grandma curls. You're going to curl it under. See, my curling iron is sideways. I'm going to curl it under. I'm going to drop that curl. And I'm going to pin it the same way that it's curled, which is curled under. See that? I'm going to curl it under. Same thing for that last section. I'm going to take this curling iron, I'm going to take this curl, And you're going to curl her under. Drop that curl. And you're going to pin her under. Okay, we're going to go ahead and repeat this process on the other side. Okay, so this is what we are looking like, all pin curled up. And now we're going to go ahead and begin taking down the pin curls, starting on the side where we started first. So for me, I started on my right side first. I'm going to go ahead and take these down. Okay, so this is what we are looking like right now. And I left the top two in because I wanted to comb through these curls first. So what I like to do is I like to use my fingers and go away from my face. That way I can help the curls stay somewhat uniform in the direction that I want them to flow. And this is where those layers really play a major part, because it helps with the way that your hair and this is where those layers play a major part, because it actually helps with the way that your hair actually falls. So I just use a little bit of the Sebastian Shaper hairspray. Now I'm going to take out my top pieces. And yeah, so this is how So this is how I layer and style my hair at home with no help. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please rate, comment, subscribe down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.